Hello, sir. My name is Erica Chumacera. I am fresh graduate of Diploma in Hotel Restaurant Services. Before I entered this training in East and West, I don't have a job. I choose to join this training to level up myself and enhance my communication skills more. And now I'm ready to ready to take the risk of all the obstacles in my life. I like to thank Mr. Joel Villanueva for your scholarship, for this opportunity, Mr. Brian Hernandez for the kindness, and to our President Noynoy Aquino for this opportunity, and for my teacher, Sir J.C. Crossing, and for this learning and words of wisdom. Thank you so much, East and West, for the excellent training. Bye-bye!